Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make Chinese restaurant style salt and pepper shrimps, 椒盐虾. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the crispy shrimps coated with salt and pepper. The ingredients are pretty simple, basically salt and peppercorn. You may also find the ingredients in the description section. First, let's prepare the topping ingredients. Dice the red pepper, green chili, and onion. And set it aside in a bowl. Then prepare salt and pepper. Heat a small saucepan without oil. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of Sichuan peppercorn with medium heat until you can smell it. You may use black peppercorn instead if you don't have it. This will take about 1 minute then. Grind the pepper and the salt with the stone mortar, just like this. Add pepper and the salt with chili, onion together. Now I'm going to prepare the shrimps. I have 450 grams of deveined shrimps here. Wipe off excess water, then put them in a bowl. Take 1 egg white, whisk till foamy. Add it to shrimps. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. The chicken powder is optional. You may simply skip this part if you don't like it. Then add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, mix well and marinate it about 10 minutes. Coat the shrimps with dry cornstarch one by one, then transfer them to a shallow plate. Now we deep fry the shrimps. When the oil turns up to high temperature, about 400 Fahrenheit degrees, add our shrimps one by one to avoid the overlap. It will only take 40 seconds to 1 minute done. When the shrimps turns red, take out and drain off excess oil. This is our final step. Coat the seasonings. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a clean wok. Stir fry chopped red pepper, green chili, and onion with high heat. When you can smell it, add fried shrimps to the wok. Toss to combine with spatula gently. Season the salt and the pepper until well coated. Now our salt and pepper shrimps are done. If you like this video or my channel, don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon in the next video.